Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam Negi and in this video I'll be talking with you about a problem that you might face after installing Windows 11 in VMware, which is the system will become highly unresponsive. In order to fix that problem, what we need to do is you need to install this VMware tool. For that, just go to VM tab and click here, and here you will see the option of installing VMware tool. After you install this, you will see the responsiveness and improvement in your mouse movement and the video performance. And here I have just installed it, and now I'm just going to restart my system, and we will see how it performs after restart. Now let's try to change the resolution to native. For that, let's click here on display setting by making right click, and now from here I need to choose my native resolution of my monitor, which is 1920 by 1080, and now I can use it. Now you can see this window look quite responsive while I am working in VMware. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.